Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and today's video is going to be 3 gift basket ideas that are from the Dollar Tree. So everything that I'm going to show you I actually got from the Dollar Tree, or it was something that I already had on hand. So I know that in one of the gift baskets I used a basket that I already had that was super nice but we weren't using. There's 3 different themes and each one has everything in it from the Dollar Tree. I don't know about you guys, but I love shopping at the Dollar Tree. I see a lot of the name brand things there now and I love it. Plus there's just so many good things at the Dollar Tree that you would buy at Walmart or wherever else for like $5, and you can get it at the Dollar Tree for just $1. So y'all let me know if you shop at the Dollar Tree, and if you do, let me know what your favorite things are to buy at the Dollar Tree down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into my 3 gift basket ideas from the Dollar Tree. First gift basket idea is a movie night basket. So I got this popcorn container from the Dollar Tree. I stuffed in this brown paper that actually came in one of our Amazon packages. And then I found these really cute popcorn bags and put those in there. And then, of course, you're going to need some popcorn to go with it. And then, who can have a movie night without some of your favorite candy? So I put some Sour Patch Kids and Raisinets. And then I found this teeny tiny little mason jar. It looks like a mason jar anyways. And I put some sprinkles and M&Ms in case you want to make your popcorn even more fun for your movie night. And the last thing that I added was a movie, and this is one of our favorites. It's not from the Dollar Tree, but I know that Walmart has some $5 movies right now too, so you can always check those out. The next idea I had was actually inspired by my husband. He travels a lot, so he's always in his car, so I thought about making him a snack basket, which is perfect for him. He is constantly looking for snacks when he's driving. So I just picked up a ton of different types of snacks, mainly things that I thought that he would like. But of course, if you know someone who likes specific snacks, you can find whatever. The Dollar Tree has a ton of name brand snacks in there. And of course, I tried to get some sweet, some salty, some spicy, and then even some mints for after his snack.
Wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street crier, caroling through the air, and the smell of the big...
And then the last thing that I added was just a little ornament, and the Dollar Tree has the cutest ornaments this year. Next basket is a hot cocoa basket, which would be perfect for winter, and I already had this canvas tote and we weren't using it, so I just decided to use it for this. But we put in some hot chocolate, some peanut brittle. I found these really cute Santa mugs, which you could even get different mugs if you want it to just be like a winter theme for after Christmas. Of course, some marshmallows. Then I included some peppermint bark. And I found these little cookies, which I've seen people use as straws. So I've put them in a mason jar, which is also from the Dollar Tree, just to make it look a little prettier. And then also I found these peppermint sticks and did the same thing, put them in a mason jar and just stuck them in. And then just to dress it up a little bit, I put in a kitchen towel and some oven mitts, and I thought it made it look a little bit more full. And the last thing that I added was a little Santa ornament to go with our Santa cups. Alright guys, I know this video was super short and sweet, but those were my 3 ideas for gift baskets from the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me your favorite items that you like to purchase from the Dollar Tree as well. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!